Hello friends, how are you today? Today's video is all about these chunky cornrows that I wore for 8 days before I took it out, and here is a fluffy cornrow braid out that lasted me for a few days. If you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, please continue to watch. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. This is few days post wash, and this is the way I keep my hair stretched. I am going to be starting by taking it down to get ready for the chunky cornrow. I separated my hair as I go. Moving to the parting part of my hair, this wooden parting pick is the bam. I use the tail comb at first for easy separation and use the wooden pick to finish it. I will be using my DIY whipped sheer body mix. The link to the video will be in the description box and up above. Separating my hair more before I comb it. And this is how much hair I lost. Let's start the cornrow. It's easier for me to cornrow my hair because it is already detangled. I will be cornrolling the rest of the hair of the camera. When I was done with the chunky cornrow, I applied some of the mix into the tip of my hair and my edges. So far, this is what my hair looked like. I braided the braids up in order to be able to tuck them in to protect my ends. This is how much hair I lost. After 8 days of wearing it by itself and under the wig, I'm ready to wear my hair out as a cornrow braids out. I will be using my combined oil to take it down. I was actually taking my time to take this hair down, but because the video was fast forward, it looked like I was taking it out faster. So far, here's what it looks like. I use the pick to fix the separation at the back and fluff my hair out some more. I am not using gel on my edges, but will be combing my edges just to make it presentable and make it look good. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Love you guys so much. See you in my next video. XOXO. Bye bye.